Magadzi oseyiphini kaNgqongqoshe wezokuThutha utshele isigcawu ngokugxambukela kaPopo Molefe emsebenzini wabo.
Mr. Molefe would always remind us that we are like overstepping our mark with respect to the oversight that we want to do, and we are interfering with his fiduciary duties.
Lo bufakazi uthi babezama ukuxazulula izinkinga zasePrasa kodwa imizamo yabo yayigcina iphelele ezeni okwesithukuthuku zencanga.
Whenever we wanted to meet with the board of Prasa, it will only be the chairperson of the board who will come to the meeting. Even when we were dealing with matters that are relating to audit and risk, the chairperson of audit and risk will never be there. It will only be the chairperson of the board, which actually was saying as a portfolio committee.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezokuThutha litshele uSihlalo weKhomishani ukuthi leli komidi lalibuye lishaya eceleni uma lenza umsebenzi walo.
There was lapse from the committee to deal with some of the issues which actually were raised.
Izikhulu siyaqhubeka. NginguCalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC.